Hey there! Ever wondered why everyone talks about retiring at 65? What if I told you there's a smarter way? One that could help you retire a whole decade earlier. Today, I'm going to show you 3 proven steps that can turn this dream into reality. Think about it. Do you really want to spend the next 30 or 40 years stuck in the same routine? Commute, work, sleep, repeat. That's what I call the slow path. Most people are trapped in this cycle, watching their money do the bare minimum, while their dreams of freedom slowly fade away. But here's the thing. Retiring early isn't just for the ultra-wealthy or lucky few. It's about making smart decisions with the resources you already have. And I'm going to break down exactly how to do that. Let's dive into step 1. Supercharging your savings rate. Now, I know what you're thinking. Saving more sounds obvious, right? But here has the game-changing perspective. Every dollar you save today isn't just a dollar. It adds your future freedom fund. If you're saving just 10% of your income, doubling it to 20% does mean working twice as hard. It means reaching your goals twice as fast. Here is a practical example. Someone earning $60,000 a year who increases their savings rate from 10% to 25% can cut their working years by nearly 15 years. How? It's not just about saving more. It's about investing those savings intelligently. Which brings us to step 2. Step 2 is all about optimizing your investment strategy. Listen closely, because this is where most people leave money on the table. Instead of chasing the latest hot stock or crypto trend, successful early retirees focus on proven long-term investment vehicles like low-cost index, ETFs. The difference between earning 4% and 10% on your investments is just numbers on a screen. It's years of your life. Let me show you the math. $10,000 invested at 4% for 30 years gives you about $32,000. The same amount at 10%. That's over $174,000. This isn't about getting lucky. It's about being smart with your money and letting compound interest work its magic. Now, step 3 is my favorite. Creating additional income streams. This is your retirement accelerator. Think about it. Every extra dollar you earn isn't just money in your pocket today. It's freedom tomorrow. We're living in an incredible time where you can monetize your skills online, leverage AI tools for side businesses, or create passive income through digital products. You don't need to build a massive empire. Even an extra $500 a month, invested wisely, can shave years off your retirement timeline. That's an extra $6,000 per year working for you, growing and compounding while you sleep. Here's what makes these 3 steps so powerful. They work together. When you increase your savings rate, optimize your investments, and add extra income streams, you're not just making linear progress, you're creating exponential growth. It's like having 3 engines pushing your retirement plane instead of 1. The best part? You can start implementing these steps today. You don't need to wait for the perfect moment or have everything figured out. Every small improvement in any of these areas brings you closer to your goal. Think about what retiring 10 years earlier would mean for you. That's 3,650 extra days of freedom. Days you could spend with family, pursuing passions, traveling, or simply living life on your own terms. Isn't that worth taking action for? Before you go, I want you to do 2 things. First, subscribe to this channel for more practical strategies on building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Second, leave a comment below telling me which of these 3 steps you find most challenging. I read every comment and love helping you overcome these obstacles. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. The same goes for building your path to early retirement. Let's make it happen together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.